So you clicked on this video because you're thinking about ways of growing your database and getting more leads in your real estate business. And you're wondering if a Facebook group is the right move for your real estate business. Well, stay tuned because I'm going to break down why you need to start a Facebook group in 2024 for your real estate business. Can we all agree that to be successful in real estate, it's all about the number of leads that you can generate from your database? Database is the way that you get leads into your real estate business. And without a large database and without ways of generating leads, you will not hit your sales numbers and you will not be a top producer. I have talked to tons of other real estate agents that are top producers like myself. And the biggest thing is that how big their database is equals how many leads that they generate, which turns into how many sales that they generate in a year. So if you want to be a top producing real estate agent in your area, you need to grow your database. But what if you don't have thousands of dollars per year to dump into online leads or into ads and things like that? Well, there's other ways that you can generate leads or generate people to add to your database, to generate leads from, then turn it into transactions. And the way that I found to be the most successful and the most cost-effective, free, whatever way you want to put it, is Facebook groups. And you might be going, Facebook groups? Yes, I started my own community-based Facebook group, and it has been the #1 lead generation source in my business and has helped grow my database to over 9,000 members. Remember, I was new to the area. I knew maybe 20 people when I started in real estate, and I didn't know where my leads were going to come from. I didn't like the online lead sources. I couldn't pay to get leads to come to me because I just didn't have the budget for it. I was a new mom. My husband worked for the government and the military. We just didn't have the money for it. So I came up with a Facebook group to generate enough people into my database to then refer me to their friends and family, or when they were ready to buy or sell, to then generate the transactions that I needed. Facebook groups are super popular because Facebook is really pushing this community building algorithm. They're really kind of letting pages go and really focusing on building Facebook groups and building a community and a place where people want to interact with each other and have those one-on-one relationships. We really saw this pivotal change during COVID in 2020. And since then, Facebook groups have grown exponentially, and the amount of people that are joining groups has grown. Think of how many groups you belong to in your local area, or even in different areas, or even nationally. Like, how many Facebook groups are you in? It might be real estate related, maybe mom related like I have, or I love gardening. Some of mine are gardening related. They're all being pushed, and Facebook is pushing the algorithm for you to join more Facebook groups. Now, 77% of Facebook's daily users are between the ages of 30 to 49. So think about it. 77% of the people using Facebook every day are 30 to 49. Now, what is the average age of buyers in our area, in our nation? 36. It went from 36 to 33. So think about it. If the 30 to 49-year-olds are on Facebook and the average home buyer is 33 to 36, where are they living? They're living on Facebook. And 1.7 billion users per year use Facebook groups our users are using Facebook groups. So think about it. All the people that are on Facebook that are in your ideal demographic that are wanting to buy a house, they're on 77% of them are on Facebook. And of that, they're all in Facebook groups. So can you see the benefit and why you might want to start a community Facebook group in your area? Now, the key is you want to start a community Facebook group in your area that houses a community where people want to join that are your ideal client in your local area. You don't want to start a Facebook group that's this national Facebook group where people are all over the place, unless maybe you're dealing with investors who want to buy investment properties in your area. Then maybe that might be a good strategy for you. But if you're a local agent and a hyper-local agent, you want to start a community group in your area with your ideal client. If you're not sure about what type of group to start, or you need help with the foundation pieces, or maybe you already have a group but it's not growing, or you're not getting the leads that you want because you're not nurturing your group in the right way, we have the Groups to Leads Academy with everything that you need to know about how to start, grow, nurture your Facebook group to earn over $10 million a year in sales and grow your database by thousands of people. If you're struggling to get leads, you don't have thousands of people on your database, a Facebook group is the right decision for you, and it's a free one that you can leverage in your business to get the sales that you want. If you're not making $10 million a year in sales just from a Facebook group, you need our course, because that's going to teach you everything that you need to know, soup to nuts, to generate those sales and to get the transactions that you need to hit your sales numbers. If you want more information about the Groups to Leads Academy, linked below where you're watching this video is the information that you need about our course. And if you want more information about whether a Facebook group is the right move for your real estate business, I'm happy to jump on a phone call with you. There is a link to my calendar below where we can schedule a little bit of time to talk about what are your goals and how I can help you achieve them in your real estate business. So think about it. Your Facebook group is the way to grow your database. If you grow your database, you will get more leads. More leads equals sales. Because according to Buffini and Company, 82% of real estate agent transactions come from people that you know that are in your sphere. So people that are in your sphere, think about it. What if you could grow your sphere to thousands of people from a Facebook group? You don't need to use all your friends and family. You can grow a sphere by using the community. Also, remember, 74% of buyers find their real estate agent from people that they know. So friends and family that they recommend to them. So think about it. If you can get people into your Facebook group, they start to get to know, like, and trust you. They're going to recommend you as a real estate agent to their friends and family, which equals what? More transactions for you. So I hope that you can see the value of having a Facebook group and starting one today. If you want more information, again, there is a link below where you're watching this video.